You are going to love the 2023 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
For car buying you can trust,
Easler makes it easy.